How to buy storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on Upgrade for more storage as shown. You can now choose a storage plan from here. After selecting, tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus below. Double-click with your side button to confirm. Then, tap on Continue. You can add and manage the payment method over here. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily buy storage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.